guys, my name's Julia. I'm a graduate of the American Bartender School, and I'm going to tell you how I got trained as a bartender, and I'm going to do this ticket while I tell you. Right now is actually the perfect time to go to American Bartender School because fall is when hiring season happens for the holidays. There are so many tourists who are coming into New York City, there are holiday parties, so many opportunities to make money during the holiday season. But you do need to get trained first. So if you're a college student, maybe an actor in New York City, maybe you want a part-time job, or you're just looking to make some extra cash. And the best part is you don't need any experience even in the service industry going in. You'll learn how to make drinks, how to accurately pour, all the ins and outs behind the bar, how to upsell top shelf alcohol, but most importantly, you're gonna gain the confidence and the skills to get out there and be successful ASAP. One of the main reasons I went to bar school was because of the job assistance program. After my 40 hours of training and I passed my test, you do a written test and a practical exam. They'll assist you with getting your first bartending job right out the gate. But it doesn't stop there. Once you get your first job, some experience under your belt, you're gonna have so many opportunities and so many doors open for you in New York City. This was so helpful for me because I had a really hard time getting a bar job in New York City, even though I had a lot of experience in the service industry. And as someone working in theater and constantly auditioning, I was looking for a job, but was also flexible so I can audition, take my acting and my dance classes during the day. I got to meet new people and make new friends. This is my best friend, Sarah. And now that this summer season is coming to an end, we have even more experience in a high volume, cocktail heavy environment. So we can literally work anywhere, right?
Yes.
Yeah. If this sounds like you, check out American Bartender School and call the number below.